Fedora Workstation versus Fedora Silverblue. Choosing the right Fedora Linux distro can completely change how you manage your system without compromising stability or flexibility. We'll look at the traditional Fedora Workstation and the immutable Fedora Silverblue. Fedora Workstation is a classic Linux desktop environment focused on customization and control. Fedora Silverblue, on the other hand, offers an immutable operating system designed for reliability and atomic updates. The core difference lies in system management and update strategy. Fedora Workstation is a standard Linux desktop distribution built for developers and desktop users who want a flexible and powerful environment. It runs on a traditional package-based system using RPM packages, allowing users to install, update, and remove software as needed. This flexibility makes it ideal for users who want to customize their system extensively or install software directly from repositories. Fedora Workstation supports the latest GNOME desktop by default, providing a modern and user-friendly interface. Its strengths include broad hardware support, frequent updates, and a large community. However, because it uses a mutable system, updates can occasionally introduce instability or conflicts, especially with complex setups. Fedora Workstation suits users who want full control over their system and are comfortable managing packages and configurations manually. It is perfect for developers, power users, and those who prefer traditional Linux workflows. Fedora Silverblue is an innovative, immutable Linux desktop designed for stability and reliability. Unlike Fedora Workstation, Silverblue uses an image-based system where the core operating system is read-only and updates are applied atomically. This means the entire system is updated as a single unit, reducing the risk of broken dependencies or partial upgrades. Silverblue is ideal for users who prioritize a consistent and stable environment, especially developers working with containerized applications. Software installation typically happens through Flatpak for desktop apps or Toolbox containers for development tools, isolating user environments from the base system. This approach enhances security and makes rollback to previous versions straightforward if issues arise. However, the immutable design limits direct system modifications, which might not suit users who require extensive customization or prefer traditional package management. Fedora Silverblue is best for those seeking a modern, robust desktop with minimal maintenance and a focus on container-based workflows. Fedora Workstation offers maximum flexibility with a mutable system, perfect for users who want to install and manage software traditionally. It supports a wide range of customizations but can sometimes face stability issues from frequent package updates. Fedora Silverblue prioritizes system stability through its immutable design and atomic updates, reducing the risk of breakage. It excels in containerized workflows and application isolation, but requires adapting to Flatpak and Toolbox tools for software management. If you need a dependable, low-maintenance desktop with easy rollback capabilities, Silverblue stands out. For users who want granular control and traditional Linux experience, Workstation remains the go-to. The trade-off is between control and stability, with Silverblue leaning towards reliability and Workstation towards customizability. Choose Fedora Workstation if you want full control over your Linux environment with traditional package management and extensive customization options. Opt for Fedora Silverblue if you prefer a stable, immutable system with atomic updates and container-focused workflows. It's perfect for users who value reliability and simplicity over deep system modifications. Both distros serve distinct needs, so pick the one that fits your workflow best.